Okay? Continuation sa AC fundamentals natin, no, for our PS Electrical Engineering student. Right? So, we try to answer problem number 1 and number 2. So, problem number 1, it says that if W is equals to 240 radian per second, what are T? T is period, no? And F is frequency. How many cycles occur in 27 seconds? So, there are 3 questions for number 1. Ang period T, ang frequency in N, this one, how many cycles occur in 27 seconds? Okay, so, ang given dito class is W. Diba? W ang given. Ano ibig sabihin ng W? That is 240 radian per second. Ano? Okay, so what is W? Our W is our angular velocity, no? Angular velocity ang W, right? The unit of angular velocity, the unit of angular velocity is radian per second. So kung matanong ako, ano ibig sabihin ng second? That is time, radian. Representing what ang radian? Representing, of course, angle, no? Dalawa yan eh, degrees and the radian, no? Ang degrees plus and radians just the same, no? They are representing angles. You follow? Ano ba yung conversion factor niya? Diba? Ang alam ko is 360 degrees equals 2 pi radian. Diba? Or, ang 360 degrees natin class is actually 1 cycle, ano? 1 cycle is also equals to 2 pi radian. So, ito yung conversion factor. So, dapat alam natin ito, no? This one. Yan. Right, so 360 degrees equals 2 pi radian, or 1 cycle is just the same as 360 degrees is also equals to 2 pi radian. Okay, so again, angular velocity W given, which is 240 radian per second. Parang ang tanong nito class, we have parang i-convert lang natin, no? I-convert lang natin ang angular velocity to period. Paano natin i-convert? Assuming hindi natin alam ang equation ng period, which is given ang angular velocity. So, ano ba yung given class dito? Di ba given is 240 radian per second. Is actually class, pwede natin gawin yan. Pareho lang ito, no? Kasi ang period, no? Ang period T class, the unit of period T is seconds per cycle. So, yan ang target natin ng seconds per cycle. So, given ang radian per second. So, dapat ang seconds natin nasa taas siya, nasa baba ang cycle. Follow? So, ang 240 radian per second, pwede natin gawing second per 240 radian. Pareho lang naman yan. Okay? Alright? So, that is, no? So, instead of 240 radian per second, ginawa natin siyang 1 second per 240 radian. Ang target lang naman natin class is second per cycle. So, okay na yung second natin nasa taas na. The next is, you have to remove radian. Paano natin remove? Using conversion factor. Times, di ba? Times what? Radian sa taas. Gusto na cycle sa baba, no? So, cycle. Yan. Kasi ang period is second. Ang unit ng period is second per cycle. So, again, 1 cycle, how many radian? That is 2 pi radian. So, we can cancel out. Radian. Ang naiwan dito, class, is second per cycle. So, how much? That is 2 pi over 240. Calculator. Okay. Ano ba yan? 2 pi over 240 equals 0.026 0.026. Alright? So that is 0.026 seconds or pwede natin gawing 26 milliseconds, no? 26 times 10, diba? Negative 3. Then this will be equal, this 1 plus is equal to 26. Ang 10 to the power of negative 3, that is milli. So 26 milliseconds. So that is period T, diba? Yan. Right, yan. So our period T class is 26 milliseconds or 0.026 second per cycle. And the next is, ano ang next? Ang F, frequency F. Ano ba ang frequency F? Ano ang frequency F? Okay, frequency F is just equals to the reciprocal of, kabaligtaran siya ng period, no? That is 1 over T, 1 over 26 milliseconds, that is 6 negative 3 seconds. So your F, our F frequency is equals to 1 over, all clear, diba? Alright, 1 over 26 times 10 negative 3, tama na, equals 38.46. 38, ano yun? 38.46. 38.46 cycle actually, no, per second, which is our F frequency is equals to 38.46 Hertz. Okay, so yan ang frequency natin, no? 38.46 Hertz or 38.46 cycle per second. Okay, so last question for number 1. How many cycles occur in 27 seconds? How many cycles occur in 27 seconds? So ganito lang gawin natin, no? Is asking for how many cycles. So we will use frequency, ano? Diba? Ang frequency natin, that is 38, diba? 0.46 Hertz, or that is actually 38.46 cycle per second. So he's asking for how many cycles, ano yun? How many cycles occur in 27 seconds. So multiply lang natin, parang conversion lang ito, class, no? Multiply natin, of course, multiply natin dapat para mawala, kasi ang gusto lang niya, class, is how many cycles. How many cycles ito. So dapat mawala ang seconds. So para mawala, you just multiply this one by seconds. So how many seconds? Diba? 27 seconds. So cancel out ang seconds. Ang naiwan dito, class, is cycle. Diba? So 38.46 times 27. Calculator, 38.46 times 27. Okay, right? 1038.42. 1038.42 cycles. Okay, so yan, no? Naintindihan ba? Yan. So yan ang tanong sa number 1. O number 2. Excuse me. Number 2, if 56,000 cycles occur in 3.5 seconds, what is W? What is W? He's asking for W. So ano ba yung given, class? Ang given is 56,000 cycles occur in 3.5 seconds. What is W? He's asking for W. Is asking for W. Alam natin, ang unit ng W is radian per second, or pwede rin degrees, no? Degrees per second. Okay? So that is angular velocity. So he's asking for W. So ano ba yung given? Ang given class is 56,000 cycles and 3.5 seconds. So we can get frequency out of that. Diba? Given ang 56,000, given ang 56,000 cycles, okay, and then given also how many seconds? 3.5 seconds. 3.5 seconds. Dalawang given, no? Yung isa ay 56,000 cycle, then the other one is what? 3.5 seconds. 3.5 seconds. So, pwede natin kunin ang frequency. No? Frequency. Di ba frequency is just 56,000 over 3.5. No? The unit is cycle per second or hertz. Di ba? So, 56,000 divided by 56,000 divided by 3 what? 3 point, sorry, divided by 3.5 divided by 3.5 seconds equals 16,000 hertz. 16,000 hertz, or sometimes that is actually 16 kilohertz. Diba? But he's not asking for frequency, he's asking for W. Okay, he's asking for W. Ito na. Ano ang formula ng W? W class is actually equals to pi f. Conversion din yan, conversion actually. Yan. So you have to memorize this one. W is equals to 2 pi f. So, right? Your W is equals to 2 pi. What is your F? That is 16,000. Your W is how much? 2 pi. 2 pi times, 2 pi times 16,000 equals, tama na ba yun? 16,000 ba yun? Let's say, 16,000. Okay, 2 pi times 16,000, 105.30. Picture natin muna, no? Okay, so our angular velocity is 100,530.96 radian per, the unit is radian per second, no? Hindi degrees yan, radian per seconds. Okay, so thank you very much for watching.